Pizzicato streets. On that farm, he had some sheep. And then the animals are dotted around on the. You do a bit of rehearsing, couldn't you? Yeah. But you get the idea. This is what we call our scout building. Can you just hear what you got there? Could you just repeatedly break it? This all takes some getting used to. This is uncharted and very weird territory for everybody who reads it. What's happening here is nothing.
Yeah.
Because until you get to 25 centimeters, you're not in. It's dead. In fact, we do use that space if we were using a sustaining trigger mode, which we haven't got to yet. But we could build up a chord and we could play all day until you swoop it down. So I will see if that's making a useful recording or not. I don't know. I will see if that's making a useful recording or not. I don't know. So, and then you can grab that and trim it. I don't know. I don't know. That can be saved and then assigned to a switch or to a beam. So I'm going to press on the microphone button and I'm going to press record and invite you to play a little bit. There's 50 pieces in here, and the majority of them are geared towards giving you a lovely little musical experience where you can do no wrong. That's the essence of the improvisatory stuff. So yeah, you could try and play them together if you want to. It'd be a challenge. I'd be amazed if it went well. Wow, yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. So this is 40 years of evolution of this technology being in schools, and the requests and the feedback we've had for such things.